Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today in Autodesk Sketchbook Pro I am showing how to use the Symmetry tool. The Symmetry tool is very useful for drawing portraits or some patterns like mandalas, and basically it's accessed through the toolbars. A button. There's a button that has two squiggly lines, and you click that and you get options for vertical symmetry, horizontal symmetry, radial symmetry, and the default symmetry line that you will get is the vertical one. Just some tips to avoid making mistakes with these symmetry lines. There's a nub, a little circle on the line, and you use that to basically drag the line wherever you want the symmetry to be. And a good tip is to either drag it to the very bottom or the top of your canvas to take it away, so to speak, and to not accidentally move your symmetry line, and you won't have a bad time drawing. An alternative way is to click the lock button in the symmetry toolbar, which makes the nub go away and the line will stay in place. Next is the horizontal symmetry, just like the vertical except in the opposite direction. I think this works best if you're drawing something with reflections, for example mountains, river, bank scenes, etc. Those Bob Ross types of painting. Also, you can use both the horizontal and vertical symmetry at the same time for cooler effects if you want to. You can design nicely with it and make shapes like boxes, rectangles, triangles, whatever you want. Okay, if you'd like to have more patterns in your symmetry, the next one to use is the radial symmetry. Okay, and you can choose how much lines or symmetry lines you want to have, like sections in your radial symmetry. Very good for mandalas. If you like to make your own mandala book for adult coloring, this is a good tool. Okay. One other button that you should know is the extend stop strokes at center line. It basically stops your strokes on the center line. That's it, basically explains itself. So yeah, today I am doing a drawing for my friend. He has his own clothing line, and I will be sending him this drawing of a geisha. So yeah, I hope you find that helpful and enjoy the rest of the video. Cheers.